Hey everyone, welcome to Daily Life English. Today I'm going to teach you very important English sentences that you are using wrong in daily life, and I will show you better natural English that native speakers actually use. If you are new here and you want to learn better English, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video. So here we have our first sentence. Many people say I am very hungry, which is a basic English. Instead, you can say it in a better way. I am starving. I am starving. Our second sentence is come fast. Hurry up. A better way to say come fast is hurry up. And our third sentence is when you say I am very tired, you can say it in a better way. I'm exhausted. I am exhausted. And when you want to say that we had a good time, you can say it was so much fun. It was so much fun. So here we have the fifth and the last sentence of this video. I don't understand. But you can say it in a better way. I don't get it. I don't get it. You can say it in a better way and you can speak better English. Be confident, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Stay blessed. Bye bye.